4 plants.
Canton Vehicle Assembly.
Deckard Powertrain Operations.
Smyrna Vehicle Assembly.
Bound by a common goal.
Build the best vehicles.
Driven by the power that comes from inside. Nissan.
Hello and welcome to Inside Nissan. A major focus for our company is building the workforce of the future, and one thing we've learned is it's never too early to start that. Check out this annual event in Canton that aims to get kids excited about a future in STEM.
It's really intense, the atmosphere. It's like anything could happen. You're kind of on the edge of your seat.
You see that competitiveness come out and the excitement builds for it.
3, 2, 1, and go.
This is the annual sumo robot competition that is hosted by Mississippi Robotics. It started around 2015, and now we're on our 10th year of sumo.
30 seconds.
This is a competition to get kids interested in robots and then also keep them interested in robots. So they're learning about motors, they're learning about computers, they're learning about programming.
Some good shoving action. This is going to be a good one.
We've got math, we've got a binary event, they have a measuring event, and they've got an electrical section where they've got to wire up a simple circuit. The highlight is the sumo. They can score points by knocking down whatever color block is their color. They get points for that. And then they can also get points by pushing the other robot out of the mat area.
I like the hands-on of having to build the robots and having to actually go and compete and execute with strategy.
It's very cool. This is something that I could put on my resume and possibly get a job next year.
We want kids interested in technology. We want them to come up and learn science, learn technology, learn STEM-related skills, because those are the ones that we're eventually going to want to hire as a company.
With the complexity of the Smyrna paint shop, troubleshooting is a normal occurrence, but Turner Williamson and his team love the challenge.
It can get really complex really quickly, and I kind of thrive in that uncertainty, to be honest, a little bit.
Back in 2019, the new Rogue model provided one of their biggest tests yet. The change from steel to aluminum doors meant their robots could no longer utilize magnets. And while the robot vendor did have a potential solution, the Smyrna team took charge.
We just knew there was a better way, and we took on the challenge of trying to come up with our own solution.
That solution started with CAD drawings, then a 3D printed prototype. Eventually, Turner worked with the machine shop to fabricate a design. Then Aaron Butler, Glenn Dodson, and others got to programming.
We came up with the plunger design where it goes down in, plunges on the car, pushes up, and then it knows that it's got the door channel once the key sensor reads it and sees it's got it, and it'll open it and then close it.
It's really robust. I mean, it's a tank.
In just 6 months, the paint team not only had a solution, but outfitted 8 different robots ahead of launch. Now 5 years later, both Smyrna paint shops use the same technology for every model that comes through.
Just because someone says that this is the best option or this is the best foot forward doesn't necessarily mean that that's the best way to do it.
We had a problem, we had to get a solution figured out, and we got one figured out.
They also now have a unique accolade for their ingenuity. Earlier this year, the team was awarded a United States patent for their design. Further proof the power truly does come from the inside.
Anybody can go out and see a way to improve the system around you. Yeah, your ideas are valid and worth pursuing. You can solve problems if you really trust yourself just to do it.
Compared to the robot vendor's idea, the team solution was also more cost-effective and is now being used outside of the United States. That's all the time we have for today. We'll be back soon, bringing you more news on the power that comes from inside Nissan.